welcome back to the channel. My name's Ardil and today we're talking about functionality upgrade on the Aston Martin Rapide. I mean, what a gorgeous interior inside this vehicle. However, that dated old Volvo system that was in here needed to go. Our client wanted more functionality, things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, really revolutionizing the interior of this car, bringing it right up to date with some more functionality. So what we've done is exactly that. We've actually upgraded the original screen to a HD version, as well as added in Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. We've got a USB lead which sits in this compartment here, and that is interchangeable depending on where you want to put your phone. You plug your phone in and there we go, we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The system I'm going to go through now and how it all works, but it's controlled by a little controller down here. So one really important thing, your sound needs to go on auxiliary because that's how the kit gets its audio input, and then you've got control via this. So you've got now access to Google Maps, Waze, Spotify integration, Tidal integration. We've got actually two options for these Aston Martins. So one option is this, which is basically a higher resolution screen, and then obviously adding in CarPlay into this kind of OEM look. However, if you do want to go that next step further, we do have an option available. It is not for everyone, mostly because of the budget that's involved in doing it, but it is an option. We can actually add in a double DIN conversion onto the vehicle and fully fabricate a new panel here to actually house like something like a Kenwood or Alpine or Pioneer unit into the dashboard. If you want to go down that route and you're not a fan of what we've done here, that is the option. However, your budget does need to be available for it, where we sit down with you, we go through everything, how everything's going to look, and then we go through things. But we will have to see the car in person and go through everything in a bit more detail. But this is a really popular option. It is fantastic, it works really well, and a massive difference to what was in there before. So we've got Spotify integration here, so we can sit, listen to music. We've got our playlists all here as well, and also what we've got on here is all our phone calls, WhatsApp, text messages, pretty much you name it, whatever you could possibly need when driving is all on here. This system works with Android as well as Apple CarPlay. Overall, a fantastic solution, adding in Apple CarPlay, Android Auto into where just what looked to be not available as not an option, but phenomenal transformation here. Really does modernize the interior, and just having that added functionality, all the stuff from your phone up onto a new screen, which is a better resolution screen as well than the original that was in there. You can either go into the original or we can update it, which is the best thing to do. You go to this slightly higher resolution version. But overall, a fantastic option that our team have added onto the vehicle. And the other really cool thing is we've actually added in a reversing camera as well, and that goes live onto this screen as well. So the vehicle didn't have a reversing camera from originally. Now as soon as you select reverse, that does pop up and go onto the screen as well, which is quite a nice little added optional extra that we'll run through when you are booking in with us. All our work has been done from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge. If you're interested in having this solution added, just reach out to me. All my details and all the company details are all in the description below. So thank you once again for watching, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video and learned about the little upgrade that you can have on your Aston Martin Rapide. Thank you once again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.